First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and tap About Phone. Here, you will find your phone's IMEI number. If your phone supports 2 SIM cards, you may see 2 IMEI numbers. Press and hold the IMEI number that you want to check. The IMEI number will be copied automatically. Now, open a web browser on your phone. Go to Samsung's official website and sign in to your Samsung account. Once you're signed in, tap the 3-line menu in the top right corner. Then select My Products. Scroll down and tap Register Product. Next, choose Serial Number/IMEI. Paste the IMEI number that you copied earlier. Then tap Check. If the device is already linked to your Samsung account, you may see a message saying that the product is already registered. Samsung may also automatically register Galaxy devices when you sign into a Samsung account on the phone. That's it! This is how you can verify your Samsung phone using Samsung's official product registration system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.